Hi, welcome back. Today is day number 6 of my 12 days of beauty tips. So we are officially halfway through the series today. I feel like it hasn't been that long, and so I'm excited that we are halfway through this series. I hope that you have enjoyed these tips so far. I have based every single day off of questions I've been asked before, and questions that I get often. So today, what we're going to be covering is how to rehydrate your skin. So especially around the holidays, I'm sure you have family gatherings, you have parties, you have events that you're going to. So it is more important than ever to have your skin looking its very best right now. So today is meant to be all about how to rehydrate your skin before your holiday events or holiday parties or holiday gatherings. And also around the holidays, our skin gets really dry because it's very cold outside, depending on where you live. You might live in Hawaii or Florida and it's not cold at all, and that might not apply. However, still hydrating your skin throughout the year, even in the summer months and when it's 95 degrees outside, I'm still hydrating my skin, and I still love to use a moisture mask. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today, is a moisture mask that is easy for everyone to use. It's only going to take 10 minutes, so it's quick, it's easy, it's simple, it's very sensitive skin. It's meant for sensitive skin. It's also meant for people that have oily to dry skin. So that means all skin types, very dry, oily, normal, combination, all of those skin types are included for this moisture mask. So the moisture mask that I'm going to be showing you today, I'm going to be using is the Time Wise Moisture Gel Renewing Mask. But using any kind of moisture mask around the holidays is going to help your skin. It's going to make it look clearer. It's going to make it look smoother. It's going to make it look softer. It's going to be more hydrated. Your makeup is going to apply better. So having a good moisture mask is so important. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So I have no makeup on. I'm going to demo it for you. One thing before you ever use any masks is make sure you always wash your face beforehand. You never know what could be on your skin. You might have something else on your skin and it could react by using the mask afterwards if you don't wash off whatever you did have on your skin previously. Also, it cannot penetrate underneath your basic layer of your skin if you have dirt and oil and toxins and things like that. It's going to sit on top of that and it's not going to hydrate your skin fully. So we want to make sure you wash your skin first. So that's what I just did. I just washed my skin in the bathroom, came, sat down, and now I'm going to do my moisture gel renewing mask with you. So if you're hopping on with me right now, go ahead and let me know you're here. Tell me you're watching. Say hi. Let me know where you're watching from. And tell us down below, too, if you ever use a moisture mask. I am also using the mask applicator to apply this today. I love a mask applicator because it does make it so much easier to use any of your masking products. Sorry, I'm at the end of this right now. So if you ever get the end of your masks, your moisturizers, your cleansers, I always cut them in half. And there's still lots of product left in there. So that's just a little extra tip for you because I am at the end. So after I get done with this live, I will probably cut this for the next time that I go to use it. But you can definitely get a couple of extra uses out of your masks, out of your moisturizers and things like that by kind of chopping it. All right, so I'm applying this moisture mask. You can see it's a clear mask, so there's not any color to it. You can just see that little bit of shine. Hi, Pam. Hello. Thanks for joining me. Let me know that you're watching down below. Go ahead and tell me hi. This is also a Time Wise mask, so it is going to have some anti-aging in it as well. Anything you ever see that says the word Time Wise on it by Mary Kay will always include some anti-aging. Hi, Sandra. I am so glad you joined me today. I'm so glad you caught it live too. The moisture mask is fantastic, especially, so I have combination skin. It can sometimes get a little bit dry, but for the most part, it is more oily than it is dry. However, I definitely use the moisture mask religiously. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. However, I use it at least, oops, just got my hair in it. Sometimes it's better to use a headband. I probably should have put a headband on before I did this. So then your hair doesn't get all stuck in it. But It's all right. So anyway, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week depending on how dry your skin is. So my skin, like I said, I'm combination. So I usually use this once or twice a week. In the winter times, I use it more like twice a week. In the summer months, I might only use it once a week. But I love the Moisture Gel Renewing Mask, especially when it is cold outside. When it's cold, your skin gets so dehydrated. And your makeup application, that's my favorite thing I think about using hydrating products, is how much it changes my makeup application afterwards. It makes it go on smoother. Your skin looks firmer. It looks more purified, like more, there's not as many like divots and holes and things like that because it's hydrated. So it's not like cracking from being dehydrated or cracking from being dry. It's really like very soft and supple. So this is like a hidden secret. I think at least something that I know most people probably know this. Use hydration to make your skin look better. But it's something that I didn't know. I didn't know much about skincare before I ever started this like beauty journey now almost 6 years ago. So as I have been going through this, I've really been learning how masks are so important. So like I said, tell me hi when you hop on here. You only have to leave this mask on for 10 minutes. That's it. So in those 10 minutes, you're going to get 10 skin renewing benefits from it. You can leave it on longer too. So I usually leave mine on for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I just put it on and then I kind of go throughout my day. I just do the regular things that I'm doing anyway. And then you just wash it off with a wet washcloth. So a warm, wet washcloth, you just get it a little bit damp, wipe this right off, and then you can apply your moisturizer afterwards. So always cleanse before a mask and always hydrate after a mask, even if you're using a moisture mask. You can also sleep in this if you want to. I would not recommend sleeping in it the first time that you use it. I would try it out for 10 minutes just to make sure that your skin, I recommend that for anything though. I would recommend that for any mask, any product. You want to try it out first, and then if your skin loves it and agrees with it, then you can go to sleep in it as well, especially if you have more of the normal to dry skin. I do that in the winter. I will sleep in this mask sometimes. Steph, hello, hi. I agree. My skin always feels better when I add moisture, and my makeup does look better. It looks so much better when I add extra moisture and I'm really taking care of my skin and hydrating it. So let me tell you a little bit about this mask. I'm actually going to also use the eye patches. So yesterday I showed you these eye patches. I told you about the eye patches, but I'm going to put them on today. So you can always multi-mask. It's one of my favorite ways to get multiple things done at the same time by not taking up too much time and also having a little bit of pampering time. So I like to use the moisture mask and the eye patches at the same time. So I am going to do that. I'm going to put these on and then I'm going to tell you all about the moisture mask. So I did tell you about these yesterday, so you can go back and you can check out my video from yesterday if you want to hear a little bit more about the eye patches and why you might want to use them. But the main reason is they're going to soothe and calm your eyes. They're going to help with depuffing your eyes, and they are also going to help with dark circles. Let me show you this. I'm like taking everything off and let me show you. So you pop this little lid off here and that just keeps it really hydrated in there. Okay. And then you've got this little scooper. So I'm going to scoop out 2 eye patches here. You're just going to leave these on for 20 minutes. That's it. So I will leave on the moisture mask and my eye patches for 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes is up, I'll just pull my eye patches off. And then I'll wipe off my face with that warm, wet washcloth. And my skin is going to look and feel so much better after that. I love the hydration products. So these are like, think of them as little masks for your eyes. And if you did not catch the live yesterday, you can use these as well a couple of times a week. Okay, so right underneath my eyes, they're pink, they're sparkly, they're cute, and they're going to depuff, help with dark circles, and rehydrate underneath your eyes. Okay, so now I've got those on. So let me tell you a little bit about the moisture mask. So like I said, it's meant for all skin types. So from dry skin to oily skin, it's going to instantly hydrate your skin. It is going to lock in the moisture, so hold it a lot longer. It's also going to help your skin look less stressed, more nourished, more purified. It's going to help calm it. It's got a botanical effect, like a botanical blend in here that's really going to calm your skin as well. It's going to reduce pore size. If you have large pores, this is one thing that I love to use for large pores. It really does help to just kind of minimize your pores a little bit, and it's just because your skin's healthier, so your skin being healthier and more hydrated is going to automatically help to minimize your pore size. It's also going to reduce the fine lines and the wrinkles. So like I said, that time-wise word on there is the key if you're looking for products or things that are going to help with anti-aging. So if you want to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, always look for the time-wise name if you're shopping my website. And if you're hopping on here, go ahead and tell me hi. Tell me where you're watching from. And also, you can always shop these products. So anything that I'm demoing over these 12 days, I'm giving you all these beauty tips. I'm also sharing products that I like to use for these beauty tips. Now, that does not mean that you can't take these beauty tips and use whatever products that you want to use. But if you want to use the exact products that I am showing you, I do have my link is attached to this video. You can shop right on my link, and I have an ordering special going on right now, too, for all my customers. So as long as you're not working with another beauty consultant or you're not a beauty consultant yourself, if you place an order on my website and it's at least $30, you're going to automatically get a Holiday Glam Class from me in the mail too. And I will have a video that you get to watch and go through, so you get to use the same products that I'm going to be using in the video so that we can do the look together. So anyway, that is an ordering special that I'm doing right now, so you can find that link down below. And if you're watching this on Facebook, make sure you like my page. So many people on here don't follow the page, so make sure you like the page or follow the page so you get notifications when I go live and when I post things. Same thing on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. But okay, let me go back to just telling you a little bit more about this mask. So it's fragrance free. There's no scents that are added to it. It does have a little bit of a scent, but it's actually just because of the botanical blend. So it's not an added fragrance or anything. It is just because of the blend that's in here. So I love that. I don't love when things have added fragrances because people can have reactions to that. This does not have any added fragrance to it. It's also non-comedogenic, which means it's not going to clog your pores, which before I knew things about makeup and skincare, that was always something I was very worried about. I never wanted to use a product on my face that was going to clog my pores because I have oily skin and I'm acne prone. So if it clogs my pores, I'm instantly breaking out. So this is non-comedogenic. It will not clog your pores. This is a cool statistic for you. So one cool thing that Mary Kay does is they have a test panel whenever they release products. They have women or men try these products out before they ever hit the market to make sure that they are successful, people like them, things like that. Well, 92% of the people that tested this product out did say their skin felt smoother and softer after using it. So I love that. 92%. That's a huge percentage. And I totally agree. If I were asked to be part of the panel, I would be part of the 92%. I was not asked to be part of the panel. But if I was, then I would agree. Soft and smoother, definitely, after using this. The key ingredients in here. So you can also use it 2 to 3 times a week, like I said before. But the key ingredients, I am such an ingredient person. So if you are a kind of a type A person, you like to know everything that's in everything, then I'm your person. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're watching. But I love to know the ingredients that are in all my products. Oh, you can see my eye patch has fallen down here. It's so hydrated. There's so much stuff on here. Let me just push that right back up. Okay. So the main ingredients in this moisture mask, vitamin E, that's an antioxidant, so it's going to help to protect your skin throughout the day, and it's really going to protect it after using this for like the next 24 hours. It's also going to condition and soothe your skin as well. Acacia berry, and that is also an antioxidant, and it's a conditioner. It also has vitamin B3 in it. That's going to help to build back your skin barrier. So I talk about this a lot, but your skin barrier can break so easily. It can break from harsh environments. It can break from toxins in the air. It can break from over exfoliation, bad skincare products, bad makeup. It can break from a lot of things. So if you have a broken over exfoliating, I don't know if I said that, but that's a big one. I have so many clients that over exfoliate and they'll break their skin barrier down. How you can know if you have a broken skin barrier is if your skin gets really red or itchy, it feels burnt or really dry, and that's not typically super normal for you. Those can all be signs that you have a little bit of a broken skin barrier. So this mask can help to rebuild your skin barrier, and the main way that's going to do that is through that vitamin B3. It also has chestnut seed extract in it, and that is going to firm the skin and help calm the skin as well. And the last main ingredient in here is the botanical blend, and that is going to soften and smooth out your skin. It's also going to be the thing that gives it that nice scent that it has. So it's just kind of like a nice fresh scent. It's not too overpowering or anything. You can just smell a little bit of something. It smells really good. I actually really like the smell of it. But that is what the scent is coming from too, is the botanical blend. So that's today's tip for you, is how to rehydrate your skin before you're going to any holiday parties this month, or any events or anything throughout the entire year. That is one thing that I always do. If I ever have something that I know is coming up, I always am hydrating my skin prior to it, just because if you're hydrating your skin, your makeup is going to look better, your skin's going to look healthier, everything is going to look better. So if you guys are hopping on right now too, go ahead, let me know you're watching, tell me hi, tell me you're here. Also, if you've ever had questions about joining my team or anything like that, I would be happy to answer that. I'm actually offering something special this month for anybody who does decide to join our team. Again, you can't be working with another Mary Kay consultant, or you can't be a consultant yourself, but if you have questions about that, reach out, because I do have something that's going on this month for my team. So make sure you let me know down below that you're watching. Tell me if you're watching the replay. Tell me if you're watching live. And like I said before, you can shop on my website. It's connected right here to this video. You can find my link. But thank you so much for tuning in with me. So we're only on day number 6. There are 12 days of my beauty tips, so I still have 6 more days that I will be coming live, and I'll be posting these replays on YouTube as well. So I hope that you continue to join me. I hope that you found these educational and informational, and thank you so much for being here. All right, so I'm going to leave this on for about 10 more minutes probably, my moisture mask and my eye patches. In about 10 minutes, I'll peel my eye patches off, throw them in the trash, and then take a wet washcloth and wipe off my face. And then I'll add a little bit of hydration, so my moisturizer afterwards, and then my skin is going to be so happy for the rest of the night. So again, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day number 7 and tip number 7. I hope you have a great night.